All right, so now I'm going to show you how to make this indentation if you don't have the mat. What you can do is you can go online and look up Egyptian hieroglyphics. They have like alphabets and all sorts of things, different symbols there. Online, easy to find, and you can print them out. And what I have is a piece, you can use fondant with tylose in it, or gum paste, or pastiage, something that's going to get stiff. Fondant by itself is a little too soft, so I'm using gum paste, and I roll it pretty thick. And then I'm going to cut it nice and straight. And you can do big pieces, little pieces. I'm just going to cut a little square because I'm just doing a small sample. Okay. And then what you do is take a little royal icing. And I have a number 2 in here, but if you want them bigger, you can do a number 3 or whatever size you want. And then use those pictures that you're going to get online. Like here we've got like the Eye of Ra. I think that's what that is, someone's eye. And you can draw on it if you want. I'm just going to freehand it. Come on. With my royal icing, that seems to have stiffened. There it goes. And you just pipe it. Use my picture to help me out here. Oops, I guess this is supposed to go out. Okay, what's really important is that these little, peaks that you have, if you've got little dog tails or anything, you do want to flatten those out where you've stopped, where it leaves little points in your stone, which actually is not necessarily a bad thing. But there you just kind of pipe it. And I did some earlier where I got to take my time and did a whole bunch of hieroglyphics. I did some big ones with different colors. And you can see I've got these. And then what I can do is I can just take this and put it onto my fondant and smooth it with the smoother. You got to be real careful because you don't want to bust it. That's why I did small pieces. So I could put it on, and I'm going to put this one on the top and show you. And I did I don't know what that is, whatever that is. Let me get this out of the way. You got to let this dry overnight, obviously. And after it dries overnight, then you've got this. And then you can take this and press it on top. Make sure you don't press the sides, they end up with lines. Just the very top part of it in. And see how it makes the indentation? And then again, since you've got the line, then you can go over it like with the end of your paintbrush. Whoops. The end of your paintbrush and make it deeper. You know, just do it in here. Kind of went over my other, that's an old stone. You can see my piece right here. And see when I pressed it in, I can see where it, so I'm just making a little firmer. Okay, I just pressed it on there. All right.